In the master bath, we have a toilet, we have faucets, a mirror, lights, faucet over here, towel rack, screen, faucet in the shower, dirty drain, screens on the windows, handles on the door. Somebody's texting me back. A pan thing for the laundry.
See, told you.
Hookups. And we got faucets in here in the guest bathroom. Ooh, yucky. There's that chunk out of the bathtub right there. We gotta talk to them about that. We got faucet in here. Curtain rod. Screen on the window. Towel rack. Ooh. Okay. Flood lighting. Light bulbs are all in the floodlights.